In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage ticket comments and messages in Zendesk support, focusing specifically on how to remove sensitive content. Now, one thing to note is that in Zendesk support, you can't fully delete a message or comment once it's been added to a ticket through the standard user interface. But don't worry, you still have some options for making sure sensitive information is adequately managed and obscured. Let's dive into Zendesk's redaction capabilities, which are designed to help remove sensitive information from tickets and comments. Keep in mind that this process is generally irreversible, meaning once something is redacted, you cannot retrieve that content. So it's important to be certain before you proceed. There are two primary ways to redact information in Zendesk: manually through the UI and automatically through triggers using an advanced add-on. First, let's talk about manual redaction through the UI. To begin, you need to access the ticket containing the sensitive content you want to redact. Once you've located the ticket, find the specific comment or message where the sensitive information is contained. Hover over that particular message and look for the three-dot menu. Click on it and select the option to Mark Text for Redaction. This will allow you to highlight specific text or select an attachment or image you wish to redact. After you've made your selections, click on Mark for Redaction. It's a good idea to double-check and review everything you've marked, ensuring nothing critical is left or incorrectly selected. Finally, click on Redact to permanently remove the marked content from the ticket. Now, if you want to automate this process, particularly if you're dealing with multiple tickets or need recurring redaction, you can use the automatic redaction feature through triggers and advanced data privacy and protection add-on. In the Admin Center, navigate to Objects and Rules, then head over to Business Rules, and finally, Triggers. Here, you can create a new trigger or edit an existing one. You'll want to define conditions that, when met, will initiate the redaction action. Within the trigger's actions include a ticket redact action, specifying the types of personally identifiable information, PII, to redact based on your redaction suggestions configuration. This setup ensures that whenever the conditions of the trigger are met, the specified redaction actions will automatically take place, helping you manage sensitive content without manual intervention. Whether you choose manual or automatic redaction, each method ensures that sensitive information is appropriately handled, enhancing both data privacy and security in your Zendesk environment. Always remember to handle sensitive data with the utmost care, as protecting your customers' data should be a top priority. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage ticket comments and messages effectively.